What's happening? All right. So what is poppin', kingdom? We are back with another video today. Today we are talking about Instagram features, the latest and newest Instagram features. 2022 features of Instagram, the new installments, the new things we can do on Reels, and everybody wants to go viral, right?
Everybody wants to go viral, don't they?
So yeah. The latest Instagram features are mainly for Reels and stories. So this is where you're going to get the most traction. Instagram is definitely pushing out their Reels, and if you use hashtags in your stories, that is getting pushed out as well if people are searching for specific hashtags. Okay, my favorite feature, the import. You are going to go to the Reels section before you upload your content, before you upload or record content. You're going to go to the music icon. After you hit the music icon, you are going to see import. You are going to click import. Go to a screen recording or a recording of a video or a recording of something somebody is saying to you at the time and you think it's funny. You're going to click on that video. After you click on that video, it will be used as your sound. So yes, just like you click on use a sound on other videos, or how sounds are already on the platform and we click use a sound, we're going to do the same thing with the sound from the video that we import. This is my favorite feature. My next favorite feature is the dual filter. The dual filter looks just like a video chat, just like you can set a timer or all of the other features that's down on the side of the reel creation. You are going to click the plus icon with the little camera. That is where you will find your dual. Okay, so click on the dual and you're going to be able to see yourself and what is in front of you. So this may work if you are pranking somebody and you want to get your reaction to the prank and their reaction to the prank. This is gonna work perfectly for that. I would love to use this. Don't know specifically what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm so excited about this feature. Let's get into this customizable link, okay? Because I remember trying to link stuff way back when, and it was not as easily accessible. Now you can go to the sticker section on your story, just like you go to the sticker section to add music or gifts or any other thing that you add to your stories. You're going to add link. Click link. And once you click link, you can type in the link or copy and paste it. And then below that, you will see customize. You can name this whatever you want to. When I first did it, I thought that I could not space or it wouldn't work, because you know, sometimes we be trying to space on stuff, it don't be working. And I didn't do it right the first time. And when I kept doing it, I was like, let me see if I can space it. And yes, you can make spaces so your words and sentences can be aesthetically pleasing. This is not so much as new as the dual and import features, but it is very much so new and a lot of people still don't know about it. So post collabs, what you can do is when you get ready to post a reel or a post on your feed, you can add, when you click tag, you can add somebody in this. So if you have your main page and you have a business page, or you have a blogger page, or you have just separate pages that you have, or if you are collaborating with another influencer or your best friend, your cousin, your mom, your dog's Instagram, I don't know, you can tag them in this and it will show on not only your feed, but your dog's feed too. How awesome is that? These are all of the features that are new. Once I see new features on Instagram or any other social platform, I will be updating you guys, because I love when I see new features and I know you guys love it too. So don't forget to like and comment if you have questions, or if you want to know anything else about social media marketing, campaigning. Just comment and let me know, and I will be sure to answer each of you guys' questions and reply back to each of you guys' comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. Don't do that. Don't do that. Excuse me, you in my business. Don't do that. All right, kingdom. Talk to you guys later.